kuskus piga and labadami labango. And look at the view. Stunning view. Labadami labango. Kuskus piga. Kuskus piga. Labadami labango. This is the activity for today, because tomorrow I am going to flew or going to Malasiki, Pangasinan, just to join the funeral of my uncle. So I need to finish this laundry for today. Okay, so kuskus piga. This laundry is good 1 month before I spin the washing machine. The clothes is 1 month, you know. So this is lots of many clothes to spin today. Okay, so bye bye. Standby. Our kuskus piga labadami labango. So this is for
Lalapit na ako.
this is for the activity for today. So 1 month before 1 month after I wash the clothes. So look at the view. It is a pugon, bahay pugon made of pugon and the sawali at bamboo. Okay naman.